No magic crack filler won't get rid of a bird turd, but it will fix a crack in the concrete. Check this out, guys. I'm gonna be super dainty with this. I'm just gonna pour it in. You literally just pour it into the crack. I want you to remember what that just looked like, okay? Remember what that just looked like. You put it in the crack, you take something flat like this, right? And you just level it right over the top. You level it out just like this. I mean, is that not satisfying? Do you guys remember what was there before? Clean it up, clean it up. There was a huge crack right there. I'll fix that later. I want to show you guys the before and after. Then you just take a water bottle, and you guys just mist it down. Watch this. Are you kidding me, guys? 1 minute, the crack is horrible. The next minute, it's gone. So guys, I'm going to show you this tomorrow. Make sure you follow me. Follow me for part 2. I'm going to also give you a link. You can get a 3-pack of Magic Crack Filler right now. On sale, free shipping, Memorial Day special. So veteran owned and operated, 5-star reviews, 4.9 star out of 5 on the shop score. No more cracks, guys. You remember what that looked like before. Look at this crack, by the way. It goes all the way down, all the way up this curb. So if you guys want to get it, I'm going to link you down below. And yeah, take advantage of the free shipping.